Aakash Sinha is the founder and CEO of Omnipresent Robot Tech in New Delhi.
So now, is it something that you have to control, or is it an automated process?
You can give it GPS commands. We have onboard cameras and sensors to sense trash around it. And then when it gets close to the trash, it can automatically initiate this.
Aakash and his crew are developing new technology at their office to take out and test on the river, hoping to help clean the Ganges.
It's not the kind of job that you can ask someone to do it every day for so many hours. So we said, why don't we have a machine in the river that can clean it, and then a guiding angel, a drone that can tell it where to go, what to clean.
This arm, this basket right here, is the thing that actually cleans up the trash?
Right, so it goes close to the trash and then it picks it up and scoops it up here.
Do you think we could take the drone out on the river and give this a test run?
Yeah, let's go.
All right, sounds good.
It's pretty simple. A drone works with a cleanup machine known as a rowboat, spotting trash and other pollutants in the water, then signaling the rowboat with the location of the pollution. It zips over and picks it up and then gets rid of it. Aakash works with his team of young drone pilots and designers to do work normally hundreds, even thousands, would have to do by hand. The Indian government recently granted Aakash with a $200,000 contract to continue building up their robot force.
Because I'm doing something for Earth, it makes me proud. I'm making this Ganga clean, this river, beautiful river.
It does more than just clean up the river. It also works to keep it clean, holding people accountable.
Sometimes when you go to factories that are polluting the river, so they have a regular inspection, but whenever that inspector turns up, people turn off those knobs that are polluting the factories. But then this thing goes like a little spy and catches them in action. Then you've got the evidence. On the math to show that if we use 50 of these robots with about 5 drones, we can clean a river in a city of size of Delhi in about 3 to 6 months' time. Right now the belief isn't there that it can come back to its original state. But I think once we are able to show some results and create that belief back, then suddenly, people will realize that, if I do something small also, it's going to make a change.
Keith Kosinski, Channel 1 News.